What is going on, team, and welcome back to yet another video. So in this video, I'm going to give you my current thoughts on the crypto situation as of right now. Now, you have not seen a crypto video from me before, but I've gotten countless of DMs regarding crypto. Do I trade it? Do I invest in it? What are my thoughts on it? And that is exactly what I'm going to be answering in this video. So I personally see a large bull run ahead of us, and I'm quickly going to break down the different reasons as to why I think a bull run right now is imminent. So if we take a look at my screen right now, this is a weekly chart of Bitcoin. Now, there's something I want you to pay attention to here. If you're unfamiliar with the way a market moves, it typically moves from expansion, followed by a consolidation, followed by another expansion, followed by a consolidation, followed by another expansion, right? So because of market history where we expand, consolidate, expand, consolidate, expand, consolidate, expand, consolidate, we can therefore only anticipate that this right here is going to be another expansion to the upside. Now, keep in mind, this is on a weekly chart, so we have been stuck in this tight consolidation for a really long time now. Now, something I want you to pay attention to is the fact that we are holding this bullish gap throughout this entire consolidation. That means that throughout this entire Bitcoin consolidation, we are continuing to hold all the bullish key levels. Meanwhile, all the bearish key levels that we have out here obviously failed to hold when price rallied here. So currently we are holding all bullish key levels and we are violating all the bearish key levels. That typically indicates that the market sentiment is still bullish. It was simply just stuck in a consolidation phase, which is a perfectly normal thing for a market to do. Now, we do see Bitcoin sort of breaking out of this consolidation right here, right now. As you can see previously, we have not seen significant displacement above this trend line. Now, during this week, we saw a large rally on Bitcoin, and that is currently breaking out of the consolidation that it was once in. So depending on how this weekly candle closure closes, today's Friday, there's 2 days and 7 hours until the weekly candle closure because Bitcoin trades over the weekend as well. I think this right here could be the start of the bull run. Now, right here, we can take a look at the Bitcoin Exchange Reserve. As you can see, that is currently at a 5-year low, meaning the Bitcoin Exchange Reserve has not been this low in over 5 years. The last time we saw the Bitcoin Exchange Reserve dumping like it's doing right now, we were met with a huge bull run. Now, the reason for this is simply because that indicates that fewer people are selling Bitcoin and that increases the demand. So the Exchange Reserve being at a 5-year low is generally seen as a very bullish thing for Bitcoin. Now, let's quickly take a look at the Bitcoin halving progress. Because what's happened historically after every single Bitcoin halving is that we were met with a large uptrending market after the halving had taken place. Now, in 2024, we got the Bitcoin halving April 19th, I think, which is right here, and we have yet to see the uptrending market that we have gotten before. So because we as traders can only operate off of seasonality and market tendency, we can only anticipate that we have a large bull market ahead of us because that is exactly what price has been doing in the past. And again, as I said, consolidation, expansion. Right now, we are consolidating after the halving in April, and we can therefore only anticipate a breakout to the upside and the beginning of the bull run. Now, the Bitcoin retail interest is also on a heavy decline. In case you're confused as to what retail means, retail is you and me. It's regular people participating in the markets, so it is not institutions. That means that regular people are showing less and less interest in Bitcoin. Now, why could that possibly be bullish for Bitcoin? It's simply because the less retail participants we have in the market, the more institutional we have, and price can be driven by institutional demand. And having price driven by institutional demand is generally looked at as more stable and long-term oriented. And that could potentially lead to higher prices as these institutions keep accumulating more and more Bitcoin. Now, not only that, but we are also seeing rate cuts happen all over the world, USA included, and China. Now, the reason why that can be bullish for Bitcoin and crypto is simply because the return on traditional investments like bonds simply decreases. And obviously, when the return on those traditional investments decrease, people are looking to place their money elsewhere. And where could that possibly be? Well, that could be in an asset like Bitcoin. So generally, we have a lot of things telling us right now that the bull run is about to start. Obviously, this is my analysis. This is my opinion. You could have a totally different opinion on it, and that's totally fine. Simply wanted to come on here and give you my current thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto in general. So I hope you guys appreciated this technical and on-chain analysis of Bitcoin specifically. Let me know if crypto is anything you guys are interested in. Again, I haven't done a crypto video before, so this will be the first crypto video ever uploaded on my YouTube channel. So again, thank you a lot for watching this video. I wish you all good luck, and I'll see you in my next video.